30-day Shiba challenge, the buying challenge, day number 25. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Yes, November 1st, Monday. We're going to be buying Shiba for the 25th straight day. 30-day Shiba challenge is in effect. A little recap. So we have 39 million Shiba from this challenge, and we've been buying it not that much. $20, I see a $50, $25. It's not like a ton, but it does add up after a while. So it made us have about, I don't know, at this particular point, $964 in profit. So let's go ahead and buy Shiba once again. This is the price. So let me just highlight this price. Let me highlight the price. And we're going to go to Coinbase.com, which looks like this. So let's go ahead and buy Shiba. If you don't have Coinbase.com, click on the link in the description and check it out. They've got some really good projects on Coinbase.com and Coinbase Pro as well. So we're going to go ahead and buy, let's buy $100 worth of Shiba today. And we've done this before. We've done $100 before. The lowest you can get on Coinbase.com, I believe, is like $2. So I believe you can get about as low as about $2 or $3. So it makes it really good, and the fees are very, very low, which means this is the reason why I choose Coinbase.com, because I knew the fees on their platform would be a little bit lower, so it'd be a little bit more affordable for everybody. So let's go ahead and add this information right now. November 1st, we fired up for the month of November. A lot of great things I believe is going to be in for not just Shiba, I think a lot of different projects. So we did $100, so that means that's $97.01 towards Shiba. And we have $2.99 in the actually fees. So we're going to go ahead and highlight this and format this information. And voila, it's all done. Let me go ahead and make that good. So let's change it to 24 to 25. And we'll change the buying. Oh, look at that. $39.81 is the average buying price. So, okay, not too bad. Not too shabby. So let me go ahead and do this. And we've got a little bit off here. Let me go ahead and make these changes here. And the price. Let me go get the price here. I'll copy this back once again and put that in there. And it's gonna format that cell. That way it looks nice and neat. So then we'll adjust the date, do a little training here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press equals, and I'm gonna highlight that price there. You see this? Like so. So we're gonna take that price. So that's the buying price that we bought it from today. We're just getting off coinmarketcap.com. And also we're working with Coinbase.com in terms of additional information. So if we go look at here, we have a total of 40 million SHIB. We have, looks like 5 days left of the challenge. And yeah, let's see what happens here. Okay, so we got a profit, okay, just under $1,200. So that's good. So if you've been with me, you are in profit land. Remember, the profit was really about here. Now we're just dollar costing average still, even though we went to 72.67, but we got a 65 in there, we got a 62 in there, we got a 70 in there. And if you really think about this price of Shiba, oh, that's bone. Ooh, we'll talk about leash later. That's leash. But anyway, but this right here, I see that going up even higher. So it's in the books, everybody. 40 million SHIB and a profit of 1151. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Absolutely the captain. 25 straight days. You are with me. And also, we also did a, hey, day 25 of 30 Shiba buying challenge is complete. Who's with me? We do that every single day throughout this 30-day challenge. And so we'll see you tomorrow, day number 26, November 2nd. That's a Tuesday. And I'll see you on the next video.